I just got access to the Tesla RoboTaxi. Let's see how quick and easy this is to use. I put my boxing club in there, which is Anchor Boxing Club in Berkeley, and it's only going to cost me like $5.48, but it's going to take about 31 minutes to arrive. I usually take my 2018 Model 3 and it drives me the whole way. Parking could be a little bit tricky sometimes, so RoboTaxi makes sense, and it only costs about $5.50, so I hope it gets through the traffic fine. I hope it uses the HOV lanes, but I don't know. We'll see. I feel bad for the engineer that's sitting in the car, but thank you so much for coming to pick me up. Fun fact, I'm currently in a RoboTaxi. I have a 2018 Model 3, so I drive this route every day. The car drives itself, but it's actually very interesting to see how the car will handle it because there's a little bit of a trickiness here, so I'm actually really excited to see how this version of FSD supervised does. We're just going to the boxing gym, so it should be fun. I'm going to try and schedule it to come pick me back up too. Wow, it saw that person and it stopped when other people didn't stop. Oh my god. The guy has no idea that the car just stopped for him. Wow. Wow. Very cool. Here comes a little tricky spot. See what it does. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, RoboTaxi. Okay, good. Wow. I wonder where it's gonna drop me off. Oh, I can just hit the pull over button. Should be just right here. Oh, perfect. Yes. See, now normally I'd have to wait for parking because it's packed, but today take the RoboTaxi, and that's it. Cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All right, so I just wrapped up at the gym. I'm gonna call a RoboTaxi now and then work out some more while it gets here. The ride's gonna cost $5.76. All right, it's coming from SF again. The RoboTaxi just got here, so I'm gonna go now. All right, see ya.
Hey there, welcome. Good.
Thanks for coming from all the way from San Francisco.
Yes, sir.
I just got access today.
Nice. Oh, welcome.
So I just wrapped up at the boxing gym. RoboTaxi took me to the gym and then it picked me up. Both times it came from San Francisco, and both times it only cost like $5.50, which is crazy. What's nice is that in the future there won't be anyone else in the car, so it doesn't matter how much I sweat or how stinky I am, it's totally okay. Right now, this engineer has to deal with it. But yeah, so this is pretty freaking cool, man. It drives perfectly fine. Like, I have a 2018 Model 3 and I drive FSD every day, and you know, sometimes it makes errors, but it's pretty damn good. This car, so far, I haven't noticed anything, and it honestly feels like the driver in the front seat is driving, even though I'm watching him and he's not driving. It just plays with my mind because I notice that it's confident but also cautious. It's able to predict people's paths much better. It's more graceful. We're going to a concert next Thursday. Maybe I'll try it then, go on the freeway. Not quite sure, but yeah, so far I'm loving it, and I definitely will be using this over Uber or Lyft just because this is like the edge of technology, and I'm honored to be living in it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please gently tap that like button, and I'll see you next time.